Welcome to the StoryChief Academy. In this video, we'll explore the media library, digital asset management systems, and the uses in the platform. The first step is to connect your DAM to StoryChief. Open the menu on top and go to Integrations. Click on Other and go to DAM and Cloud Storage. Most of these integrations are pre-configured, but some of them need to be activated still. For some, it's as easy as clicking a checkbox. For others, you'll need to fill in the cloud information. Don't forget to save the configuration. To access the media library, click on Content and on Media Library. Here, you'll see all the uploaded media that was used before. The first tab contains all the images, the second one is for the videos. On top of the page, you can upload more media from your computer or import from cloud storage. When selecting an image, you can view its details or delete it. When viewing the details, you have the option to download it or copy the URL. On the side, all the information regarding this image is displayed. Bulk actions are also possible by selecting some images and clicking Delete. Underneath your files, you see Unsplash. On this page, it's possible to research images you'd like to use, gather some inspiration, or download the images. Select an image, click on View Details, and download it. Now we'll see how to use these features in the content. In an article, place your cursor somewhere in the text and hit Enter. Select the Image button to open a window. Choose to upload an image from your computer, select it from the media library, or import via URL or cloud storage. Alternatively, type a keyword in the Unsplash search bar to find a suitable image. For image galleries, a placeholder appears where you can click on Organize. Here, you can add multiple images to your gallery. It's that easy and also works for other content types such as videos, webinars, or podcasts. For social posts, it's very similar. Click on the Media button and choose one of the options. Because some channels allow a mixture of videos and images, you can upload both via this menu. That's it! Go check out the media library or cloud storage and turn the theory into practice. Curious for more? Check out our other videos.